Hey, my friend, have you ever been here? You hear everyone talking about the magic of mindfulness, about peace, about focus, about finding this calm oasis in the middle of a chaotic life. So you decide to try. You sit down, you close your eyes, and you try to think about nothing. A minute passes, and your mind starts its monologue. Am I doing this right? Why am I still thinking about work? What's for dinner tonight? Oh, my nose itches. And then that judgmental voice chimes in. See, I failed. I just can't meditate. If this story sounds familiar, I need you to know something. You haven't failed, and you are not alone. The problem isn't you. It's the invisible rules we've accidentally created around mindfulness. These myths are more damaging than not practicing at all, because they make you believe you're incapable, and then you quit right before the magic has a chance to happen. So in this video, we're not going to learn another new technique. Instead, we're going to dismantle the 7 biggest myths that are standing in your way. We're going to give ourselves a bit of grace. And if you feel like this is exactly what you needed to hear, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It not only helps this video reach more people who need it, but it also signals to me that we're on this journey together. All right, shall we begin?
Myth number 1. The goal is to empty your mind. This is the biggest one, the tallest wall that makes everyone feel discouraged. We see images of serene monks and think they have 0 thoughts in their heads. But the truth is, the mind is designed to think, just as the heart is designed to beat. Trying to stop your thoughts is as futile as trying to stop your heart from beating. Mindfulness isn't about getting rid of thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. Imagine you are the sky and your thoughts are the clouds. Clouds come and clouds go. Sometimes the sky is clear, sometimes it's full of dark storm clouds. But no matter what, you remain the vast, open sky, watching the clouds drift by without being carried away by them. So, the next time you sit, don't try to fight. Simply notice, there's a thought about work, and then gently, kindly return your attention to your breath. That's it. You're doing it perfectly.
Myth number 2. Thinking is the enemy. Stemming from the first myth, we often get angry with ourselves when our mind wanders. There it goes again! Why can't I just focus? Let's try another metaphor. Think of your mind as an adorable little puppy. You tell it to stay, but a few seconds later, it's run off to chase a leaf. What do? Do you scream at the puppy? Punish it? No. You'd smile and gently guide it back to its spot, over and over again, with patience and love. Every single time you notice your mind has wandered, that is not a failure. That is the moment of mindfulness. The act of noticing and gently returning is the core exercise. Each time you do it, you're doing one more rep for your mindfulness muscle. Myth number 3. You have to meditate for a long time for it to work. I don't have time for a 30-minute session every day. This is the most common excuse to procrastinate. We're trapped in an all-or-nothing mindset. If we can't do it perfectly, we won't do it at all. Forget 30 minutes. Start with 3 minutes. Start with 1 minute. Consistency is so much more important than duration. Practicing for 3 minutes every day for a week will have a far more profound impact than one 21-minute session followed by quitting.
You can practice mindfulness in micro moments. While waiting for your coffee to brew, just take 3 conscious, deep breaths. Feel the air filling your lungs and then releasing. That's it. You just meditated.
Myth number 4. You need a perfectly quiet space. We imagine we need scented candles, a special cushion, and the silence of a monastery. But what about real life? There's traffic, a barking dog, the sound of kids playing. Mindfulness isn't about escaping from life. It's about learning to be fully present for life, exactly as it is. Those sounds aren't distractions. They are part of your practice. Instead of resisting them, try acknowledging them. Ah, the sound of a car horn. Ah, a bird chirping. Let the sounds pass right through you, just like the clouds in the sky. You'll be amazed that once you stop fighting them, they stop bothering you.
Myth number 5. There's a right and wrong way to do it. The fear of doing it wrong is a huge barrier. Am I sitting straight enough? Is my breath even? This judgment creates tension, the exact opposite of what mindfulness is about. Let me be crystal clear. You cannot fail at mindfulness. There is only one rule. Be kind to yourself. If you feel restless, be kind to the restlessness. If you feel sleepy, be kind to the sleepiness. If your mind has a million thoughts, be kind to the million thoughts. This non-judgmental acceptance is the very heart of the practice.
Myth number 6. Mindfulness is just about sitting on a cushion. Formal sitting meditation is a wonderful training, but it's the gym. The real goal is to bring that mindfulness into your daily life. You can practice mindfulness while washing the dishes. Feel the warm water on your hands. Smell the soap. Hear the clinking of the plates. You can practice while walking. Feel the soles of your feet connecting with the ground. Feel the breeze on your cheeks. Any activity, when done with full, loving attention, becomes a meditation. This is where mindfulness truly changes your life.
Myth number 7. You're supposed to feel blissful every time. Sometimes you will feel peaceful, but sometimes when you sit in silence, the difficult emotions you've been suppressing will surface. Anxiety, sadness, anger. And you think, this isn't working. I feel worse. This is not a sign of failure. This is a sign of healing. Mindfulness is not a painkiller to escape your feelings. It's a safe space you create to finally sit with those feelings, to observe them without having to act on them. By allowing yourself to feel them, you are allowing them to release. It's an act of courage, and it's where the deepest transformation happened.
So there they are, the 7 myths that hold us captive. Mindfulness isn't a competition to be perfect. It's not another stressful item on your to-do list. It is an act of kindness, of permission, of coming home to yourself exactly as you are, whether that home is messy or neat in that moment. You already have everything you need to begin. A breath, a moment, and a little bit of compassion for yourself. Let go of the rules and just be here, now. I would love to hear from you. Which of these myths resonated with you the most? Please share it in the comments below. Let's create a space where it's okay to be honest about our struggles and support one another. Thank you for spending this time here today. Take care, be kind to your mind, and I will see you in the next one.